In this video, we will learn about body sounds. So let's begin. Scream. To cry or say something loudly. I screamed when I won the prize. Slurp. Making a noise while drinking water. I slurped my favorite drink at the dinner. Yell. Loud, forceful shout. She yelled at her brother. Fart. Passing gas. Excuse me for letting out a little fart. Gaggle. Making a sound while gaggling. She gaggled with her mouthwash. Sneeze. Sudden release of air. I sneezed when I had allergies. Yawn. Tiredness or boredom. I yawned during a long lecture. Hum. Soft, low-pitched sound. I hummed a tune while working. Sing. Musical sound. I love to sing the songs. Clicked tongue. Disapproval, annoyance. I clicked my tongue at the road driver. Snore. Loud breathing during sleep. My partner snores loudly at night. Sniff. Nasal sound. I sniffed during the cold weather. Kiss. Affectionate sound. I love kissing my cat. Clap hands. Applause. I clapped for the good performance. Cough. Clearing throat. He coughed during the meeting. Laugh. Happiness and amusement. She laughed in the serious situation. Hiccups. Involuntary sound. I got hiccups from drinking too fast. Whistle. High-pitched sound. I whistled to get her attention. Sigh. Relief or frustration. I sighed after finishing my task. Whisper. Soft, quiet sound. Whispering in gathering is not good. Shout. Loud sound. Don't shout at me. Snap fingers. Loud, sharp sound. I snapped my fingers to the music. Tap foot. Rhythmic sound. She began tapping her foot.